today's topic is OLAP operations in the multidimensional data model. So the OLAP operations are roll up operation, roll down operation, slice operation, dice operation and pivot operation. So what is roll up operation? We will see here. So roll up operation is performed by aggregation operation on the data cube. Here we are climbing above our concept hierarchy. Here we are converting our more detailed data into the less detailed data. So this is the example of roll up operation. Here this is the data cube. This is the data cube of all electronics shop and the dimension are atom, time and location. Here we are performing the roll up or trail up operation on the location from cities to countries. Okay, means here the location dimension is converted from cities to countries. So here the Vancouver and Toronto is in the Canada and New York and Chicago is in the USA. So here see there are only two cells at there Canada and USA. So Vancouver and Toronto is converted to the Canada country and New York and Chicago to the USA. And the 605 and 395 is added and that is the 1000 that is kept here, and 1560 and 440 is added and that is kept here for the USA. So this is the roll up operation where we are climbing up the dimension concept hierarchy. Then next is the roll down operation. So the roll down is the reverse of the roll up operation. Here we are navigating from less detailed data to the more detailed data. We are stepping down here. We are stepping down the concept hierarchy. See here, this is the same data cube. Okay, and we are stepping down from the time dimension. Time dimension is aggregated as Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, that is quarters. Each quarter is having 3 months. So here we are stepping down from quarters to the months. So these are the months. These are the months. Okay, so this is the drill down operation. Next is slice operation. Slice operation is performed by selecting one dimension on the data cube. So here the slice operation is for the time is equal to Q1. Okay, so here the slice operation is performed on the time dimension where time is equal to Q1 for the quarter 1. Then dice operation is performed by selecting 2 or more dimension. So your dice is performed on location is equal to Toronto and Vancouver and time is equal to Q1 and Q2. So and the items are equal to home, entertainment and computer. So the dice operation is performed on the 2 dimension here. And the next is pivot operation, which is a visualization operation. Here we can visualize the data by rotating the axis. This is the pivot operation. Here we are rotating our axis and we can view the data in multiple dimensions. Okay, so these are the OLAP operations: roll up, roll down, slice, dice and pivot. Thank you.